Hi, I'm Pam Demore, and I'm really excited to be coming to Daytona to teach you how to use your serger. I will be here at the AQS Quilt Week in February and teaching all kinds of fun classes on the serger. I'm so excited to be here and so excited to share my love of serging. I'm the author of the serger book called Power Serge. You may have heard of it. So today I'll be showing you some of the techniques that are highlighted in my book. So this is a workbook class, which means we do several techniques, one right after another, learning how to use different types of stitches and different techniques and different feet for our serger. So you'll enjoy doing this. This class always sells out wherever I teach it. It's just a great class. So sign up early because this is something that whether you're a beginner on the serger or you've been doing it for a while, there's something here for everybody. All you'll need to bring to class is your 3-ring binder. You don't even need to bring that. You can put it in a binder when you get home. Everything's all cut and put together in sheet protectors, ready for you to sew. So Serger Essentials is a great class. It's Saturday morning, and it's something you're going to enjoy doing. It will help you in all your serging projects in the future. It'll help you give a better understanding of how the serger works. Plus, you're going to have a fun time with me for 3 hours. So join me on Saturday morning for Serger Essentials.